uMalema uphawula ngenkulumo akazenzile ngomholi weqembu lomkhonto wesizwe umnumzane Jacob Zuma sokuba yini angayenza njengoba eseneminyaka e82 ahluleka ukuyenza esasemandleni esasemncane. Uthi ke lokho engakuphinda nanoma kunini na kuphela nje uma ngabe kuyiliqiniso yena uyolokhu akusho. Uthi ke awukho ubudlelwano abanabo nomkhonto wesizwe futhi ke ayikho nenkinga akanayo nomnumzane Jacob Zuma, kodwa iqiniso kuyohlala kuliqiniso. Ngicela ukuthi ke uyizwele ngokwakho.
Me and President Zuma were very good. The same way me and President Ramaphosa were very good. But it doesn't stop me from saying he's corrupt. Because he is corrupt. By being good to you doesn't mean I must not tell you the truth. If you listen to my speech yesterday in the Gauteng General Assembly, I said, you must tell the truth even if telling the truth to a lover or your lifetime partner or your wife or your husband. If it is the truth, it must be told. President Zuma is corrupt. And it's not me. The public protector found him to be wrong. He rejected that. We took him to court. That's why he had to pay some monies back in relation to Nkandla. So what more do you want? What is misleading about that? Because it was not only me. The public protector came to the conclusion that there were wrongdoings in Nkandla. The Constitutional Court said, yes, he must pay back the money. And we were singing in Parliament that he must pay back the money. But it doesn't mean I've got anything against him personally. I'm dealing with issues of principle. And if it means telling them to your wife when she's wrong or your husband, I'll also do the same thing. We have no relationship with MKP. And even worse now when MKP has made it its program to recruit leaders of the EFF. Tomorrow we are marching to the Constitutional Court with everyone except MKP. The MKP won't be part of our march. If they want to march, they must go and organize their own. But ATM and even the ANC can't join us. It's our march. And any other person that has been opposed to Phala can join the EFF march tomorrow, starting from Mary Fitzgerald Square. At what time is it? 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. Mary Fitzgerald Square, marching all the way to